Hello, my name is Jasmine Dong. Before we begin, please press on the link below to follow along. I will be talking about investing in real-time companies for MasterCard. Some background information. Business-to-business market is an extremely competitive financial platform. MasterCard is one of the most recognized financial payment platforms. The company is trying to move past credit card payments and into the digital payments involving RTP. The proposal for MasterCard directors is investing in real-time payment companies to offer cardholders with real-time payments for instant transactions of money. The problem: MasterCard is focusing on expansion, which means growing on partnerships domestically and with international fintech companies. However, competitions like Visa and American Express have been after the same companies, which puts MasterCard at a disadvantage. Businesses and customers has had delayed transactions from banks to send their money because banks have trouble making funds availability accessible in an instant. Digital payment is moving forward with new technologies, which means we need a payment system that is paperless and cardless that would make payments more efficient. Therefore, investing with RTP companies would be beneficial. The solution: MasterCard should invest in RTP companies like Transfast and P27 Nordic payment platforms. Transfast, who can help MasterCard compete in account-to-account transfers, can also complement MasterCard's wide range of payment solutions and enhancing capabilities of payment transactions. P27 Nordic payment platform can help expand the non-card business and cash in on real-time payments. It can also help move the money from accounts, and it will help give MasterCard a chance to capitalize on global RTP markets. With this investment, it could help grow internally and externally. Internally, it could provide us with more insight into the RTP business and how it can expand. Externally, it could broaden our influence to help customers and businesses with payment transactions. As part of the solution, in the photo below, it suggests that most financial companies are going to start trying to implement real-time payment within the next few years. The budget. Competitors are stepping up their game. By using RTP companies to expand would be a great investment for MasterCard. MasterCard's recent third quarter is doing well, with revenues up to 16% and earnings per share up 23% versus a year ago. It could give us the little room we need to invest in RTP companies. Using a timeline, it could help reach our goals for the first 5 years and would help push us forward. The timeline, with approximate dates to start. For goal 1, we need to secure our investments with RTP companies like Transfast and P27 Nordic payment platforms. To be a significant part of real-time payment, MasterCard must be the lead investor. For goal number 2, we need to get the company's board of directors to approve of the investment. Therefore, we can proceed by investing a minimum of $100 million and a maximum of $500 million of cash for payments. Once the investment is secured, we can proceed further. Goal number 3, familiarizing MasterCard with the RTP platform. I propose that we use the increase in revenue from quarter 3 to devise a beneficial revenue plan. Once the companies have come to mutual terms, they can proceed to the following. Goal number 4, execute the revenue plan to break even, with the goal of targeting customers and businesses who are in need of real-time payment transactions. For goal number 5, with targeted customers, we can use our digital payment division to follow through with the RTP companies and how the payment capabilities are working with the prototype. Goal number 6, if the prototype is competent, proceed with placing them into small businesses like liquor stores to begin. Goal number 7, continue overlooking the process of real-time payment in small businesses to ensure that it works properly before we incorporate into big businesses. For goal number 8, proceed in executing real-time payment into major corporations. The counter argument: people are already used to using credit cards and cash payments. This new process will require significant time and money to implement. Banks already have a difficult time with delays from customers, and with the new system being implemented, there may be even more delays in transactions. What's to say when the new system is implemented into major corporations, that even with the success from the small companies, that it will not fail with the larger companies. However, with worthy partnerships like Apple, MasterCard would not risk the integrity of the company by investing in companies that are not beneficial. The conclusion: MasterCard's strengths are within partnerships and investments. MasterCard is solely focused on expanding on the growth of the company to push digital payments further, which will extend MasterCard's influence globally. Currently presented with an opportunity to position the company at the forefront of pushing paperless forms of payment to the financial industry, MasterCard is one step closer to revolutionizing the way customers and businesses pay with a financial service.